Hello, hi guys. This is CA Balakrishna from Lecturepedia.in. How are you? Hope you people are doing well. Even I am fantastic. So, CA final students who are going to write their examinations in May 2026, I guess you have started your preparation. If at all you have not yet started your preparation, for sure, after seeing this video, immediately you will start your preparation because the time that is available for your examination is not much. So, if you see today, the date on which I am recording this video, it is 8th of February, and your examinations they are going to start from 2nd of February. So, if you see, there is only 83 days left between 8th February and your examination. Sir, 83 days. It is a lot of time. Are you feeling like that? See, for audit, every day at max you might spend some 2 hours for preparation, correct? Because you should also prepare for other subjects. Max you might spend 2.5 hours, but effectively it will be 2 hours only, right? So 83 multiplied by 2 hours per day, if you go as per that calculation, roughly it will be around 170 hours, not even 170 hours. It will be less than 170 hours only, around 166 hours you will be getting. I have approximated it to 170 hours. So just 170 hours left for your examination. So 170 hours means it is roughly, if you convert it into days, 7 days, 1 week left. So now tell me, is this 83 days more for your preparation or only 83 days left? Only 83 days left, right? So if at all you haven't started your preparation, now it is high time you have to start your preparation. Sir, okay sir, 170 hours is left, that's fine, but how should we prepare in this 170 hours? Please guide us. I am here for that. I will guide you how to effectively use this 170 hours. So if you see, not only audit, any subject, you will be requiring, apart from first time reading, you will be requiring minimum 3 revisions in order to be uh, to attend the examination in a very confident manner. You will be requiring at least 3 revisions apart from first time reading, I am saying. So I'm assuming you haven't read even one time also audit, you have just taken the classes and you haven't started your preparation. If at all you have started your preparation, then that's fine, you are on track. But here I am assuming you haven't started your preparation yet and you are going to start your preparation today or tomorrow. Then of these 170 hours, 100 hours you have to allocate for first time reading. Sir, first time reading, through which book we have to read? I'll tell you everything, I will cover in this video. So 100 hours out of that 170 hours you spend for first time reading. Next, coming to the revision. So once you completely read the entire content, now it's time for revision. So first time revision, you spend 50 hours of these 170 hours. So 100 hours for first time reading, 50 hours for first time revision. Next, 20 more hours you will be left. That 20 more hours you do second time revision. Sir, you said 3 times revision is required. Now we are getting only 2 times revision. See, before examination, you will have 1.5 days. So in that 1.5 days, you have to revise it for the third time. So you will be getting 3 times revision along with first time reading in this 170 hours that is available. Clear? Yes. Sir, okay, sir, you told us how to allocate the time that is available with us with respect to first time reading, first revision, second revision, that is fine. But how should we start our preparation? Which chapters we should cover? Each chapter, how should we cover? How should we read? I will tell that also. Okay. So there is a standard operating procedure that I am going to give you. See, this is standard operating procedure. You can apply this even for other subjects also, not only for audit. So let's say, for example, you have taken up a particular chapter for preparation. Now, if you feel that my concepts in that particular chapter are very good, I remember the entire class, regular class that I have taken thoroughly, then you can start reading the concept book. But if you feel that you require a brush up of the concepts that you have already listened in the regular classes, before reading the concept book, you watch a revision lecture, 1.5 hour you watch a revision lecture. So through the revision lecture, your concepts will be brushed up with respect to that particular chapter, and it becomes easy for you people to read the content. So first of all, check whether any revision lecture is required with respect to that particular chapter. See, this thing you have to check chapter wise. When you take up a particular chapter for preparation, you have to check whether I have to watch a revision lecture for this chapter, or can I directly read from the book. Okay, so after watching revision lecture, you have to read from the book. Now, okay sir, we'll read from the book, but which book we should follow? Should we follow ICI study material? See, I won't suggest ICI study material because there are a lot of reasons. First of all, in case of auditing subject, key terms are very important, right? Key terms are very important. Now, in the ICI study material, you will not be able to identify key terms because the complete book is black and white, and key terms will not be highlighted. So you have to take up an author book which has key terms highlighted. So if you take my audit concise book, it has all the key terms highlighted. I'll just show you. So yes, so this is group audits chapter. So if you see each and every key term, you will find it highlighted in red color. Like this complete book, all the chapters, you will find it highlighted in red color. So this will help you to easily memorize and focus on key terms. So this is one of the reason why you should prefer author book. And of course, the ICI study material, it is black and white, but if you see my book, it is completely color book. So since the subject audit is the most of the students, they will feel it little bit bore, right? So if you read it from the black and white book, you will get even much bored. So with the help of the color book, you can sit for somewhat more hours preparing with the audit. Understanding? So that is also one more advantage of author book. And another important thing, if you see in ICA study material, all the content, it will be in paragraphs format. But if you observe here, in my book, I have designed the content in a point wise format. Each and every concept, you will find it in a point wise format. Understanding? So these are the reasons why I always suggest author book. I'm not telling you to take my book, any book you follow, but ensure that these features are there in that particular book that you are following. Clear? Yeah. Sir, okay sir, you told to read from the book, and the book that we should select has to contain all those features. So we have to take that book, whichever book that contains all these features, or my audit concise book itself, and we should keep that book in front of us and start reading. Will you do like that? No. See, subjects like financial reporting or AFM, will you just keep the book in front of you and you will read it? What you will? You'll practice, right? So audit also you have to practice before, because in the examination you have to write the answers. It is not sufficient if you just read the answers in the examination. You have to write. So you have to practice writing during preparation itself. Sir, I cannot write all the answers, sir. All the concepts I can't write, sir. See, all the answers, all the concepts is not necessary to write. At least write side headings. or at least write some key terms. Understanding? So you just don't read from the book. Along with reading, you also make a note, you also keep on practicing. Yes. Yeah. So you have to read the concept book along with writing. Writing is mandatory. See, when you write the content, it helps you to remember that content for a longer duration of time. Many students, they will ask me, sir, we are reading first chapter, and by the time we complete second chapter, we are forgetting first chapter. How to handle this? The only way how you can handle this is you have to write it. Understanding? Yes. Next, sir, we have watched revision lecture, we have also read from the concept book. Now what? Now you have to apply your knowledge for the question and answer, because in the examination they'll ask you case study based, case scenario based question and answer. Now you have to apply your knowledge for the questions. So you have to solve questions. Sir, which question bank we have to take? See, if you see my question bank, there are 600 plus questions available in my question bank, covering all the RTPs, all the MTPs, all the past questions are covered in this question bank. And one more thing, this question bank is also color book. That means you'll find the key terms highlighted in the question and answer book also. Clear? Yes. And you should also practice MCQs. Sir, for MCQs, should we buy any other book? Not required. So for MCQs, what you can do is you can download our Lecturepedia app. So in our Lecturepedia app, not only MCQs for audit, MCQs for all other subjects are available free of cost. You can practice them as many number of times as you wanted. There are 5,000 plus MCQs that are available on our app. You can download Lecturepedia app from the Play Store and you can practice MCQs from Lecturepedia app. This is free resource that is available to you. Next, sir, first time reading, we will cover it from the concept book, that is fine. But revision, first revision, second revision, third revision, if we have to cover from the concept book, it is taking a lot of time, sir. Then you follow chart books. You take any chart book that is available. If you see my chart book, still my chart book is under preparation. Mostly within a month I'll be launching my chart book. You can take up the chart book. I'll also be uploading revision videos through that chart book only. The marathon session, 20 hours marathon session, I will upload explaining from the chart book. The chart book is still under preparation. Mostly it will take another 1 month to get completed. So today it is February 8th, right? By March 10th or 15th, chart book I will be launching for CA Final. Already CA Inter chart book is available. CA Final chart book also I'll make it available soon by March 10th or 15th. Okay. So you can take the help of those chart books for the revision purpose. See, if you revise the chapter through chart book, it will hardly take 20 minutes to half an hour. Within half an hour, you can complete the entire chapter through chart book. So this way, not just 3 times revision, you can complete 6 to 7 times revision if you revise through the chart book. That is the benefit of or advantage of chart book. Yes. Sir, okay, sir. You have told us how we should go with each chapter, everything you told, that is fine. But which chapters are more important, which chapters are less important, on which chapters we have to focus more, on which chapters we have to focus less? For this I have ABC analysis. See, ABC analysis, it doesn't mean that you should completely leave C category chapters. This ABC analysis is just for helping you people to allocate the time, allocate more time to A category chapters, less time to B, and even less time to category C. So just like I am giving the ABC category here for May 26 examinations, I also gave ABC category for Jan 26 examination. I'll just show you. You will get shocked after seeing it. So almost all the questions of the 70 marks theory questions, around 50 marks came from A category chapters. So if you see, this is Jan 26, the ABC analysis that I have made. So if you see, this one came from A category. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 28. 28 plus 32. 32 plus 37. 37 plus 42. Yes. And 46. 46 and 51. 51. 58. 58 and 63 and 67. So 67 marks they came from the A category chapters that I told you for Jan 26. And if you see from the B category, 7 marks, only one has come from C category, the two from SA 450, only one has come from C category. Yes, B category again. So from B category, it's 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Yes, 16 marks. 16 marks has come from B category. See, this is just theory questions, not MCQs. I'm just speaking about theory questions. Clear? So, for May 26 also, I'm giving you A category, B category, and C category chapters. You please focus on these A category chapters very much. Okay, these A category chapters and B category chapters, these both categories you focus more. The in these two also, on A category you focus more. If you focus more on A category, for sure you will able to get at least 40 marks for sure. If you focus both A and B, for sure exemption you will get. So, sir, what chapters under A category? So the first chapter you already know, professional ethics. For sure you will be getting 15 to 20 marks from the professional ethics. So you should not leave that professional ethics chapter. Next, digital audit and assurance. Every attempt 4 marks you will get. SDG and ESG, that last chapter. This chapter also, every attempt 4 marks you will get. Caro, every attempt 4 marks you will get. SQC1, SA220, both taken together, every attempt 5 marks you will get. So if you see, 15 plus 5, 20, 25, 25, 29, 33. So for sure, 33 marks is in your hands. If you just prepare these 5 chapters, 33 marks blindly they will come. Remaining 7 marks for just pass. See, because students they are struggling to pass in the subject of audit. If you study in a calculated manner, for sure you will be able to pass. You need not struggle for passing the subject like auditing. But the thing is, you need to have proper plan and proper strategy. So this is a strategy that you should follow. Next, group audits. So group audits, if you see, till now they haven't asked even one time also. Since the new syllabus has come, they haven't asked one time also. But this chapter is very much important. In the old syllabus, they used to ask from this chapter every attempt. Every attempt they used to ask. So I'm guessing that this attempt, for sure, in May 26 attempt, for sure they will test you from group audits chapter. So you be thorough with group audits chapter. Next, audit of NBFC. See, either audit of NBFC or from audit of banks. From these two chapters, they will give one question generally. Last attempt they give from audit of bank. Generally, they'll give alternatively. One attempt they give NBFC, one attempt they give bank. So last attempt they give for banks. This attempt for sure they will give NBFC. Okay, so I've kept this NBFC in A category, and the bank audit I've kept in B category. Don't worry. Okay. Next, Internal audit also for sure, this May 26 attempt for sure you'll get 5 marks. Similarly, investigation also for sure basically this investigation, due diligence and forensic accounting, from these 3 chapters they will give one question. Basically, till last attempt they haven't tested the due diligence. I told that in the last time ABC analysis, I told that Jan 26 for sure they will get question from due diligence, and they have asked 5 mark question from due diligence. This attempt they will ask from investigation. Okay, so these are the chapters that you need to focus on. See, if you at least focus on these chapters na, for sure blindly you will pass. Okay, next, standards. Coming to the standards, essay 250, 299, 402, 501, 520, 540, 550, 560, 570. See, basically these 4 standards are there na. From these 4 standards for sure you will get 5 marks for this attempt. So you don't neglect that 4 chapters, 540, 550, 560, 570 for sure. From that 4 standards, 5 marks question you will get. And 620, 701, 706, 720, 800. Sir, what are these standards you have highlighted in yellow color? These are the standards which have not at all been tested by the institute till now. Okay, from beginning of the new syllabus they haven't tested those standards. So I'm guessing that they will test any of one of those standards which I have marked in yellow color. So you have to be thorough with those standards also. And coming to these new standards, SRS 4410, SRA 2410, SAE 3402. These 3 you be thorough. So this is A category chapters. See, as of now you are having lot of time, so you can focus on almost all the chapters. But if at all you are watching this video just 1 month before the examination, like in April you are watching this video, if you cover this A category chapters, that is more than sufficient. For sure you will get 40 marks for sure. Clear? That much important the A category chapters are. Next, coming to B category. So in B category, audit of banks, audit of PSU, and coming to the standards, 240, this essay 240 related to fraud in last attempt only they have asked. In last attempt I told it as A category. In this attempt I am keeping it under B category. Next, 315, 330, 510, 530. These two also never asked. 600, 610, 705, 710 and 805. Next, 4400, 3420. These are B category chapters. And forensic accounting. See, forensic accounting mostly they won't ask. For sure they'll ask from investigation only. But safe side, I've kept forensic accounting in B category. If you want, you can shift it to C also if you don't have time. But if you have time, you can keep it under category B. Clear? Yes. Next, category C. So under category C, due diligence, essay 200, 210, 230. See, these 3 standards, they are not at all there in your ICS study material. Mostly they won't test them. Next, 260, 265, 300, 450, 500, 505, 580, 700, 810. This 450 they have tested last time. This is very small standard. They won't test this time. So I kept in C category. Next, SRE 2400, SAE 3400. These are key C category standards or chapters. Sir, okay, sir. That is fine, sir. Now you told us which chapters are important, on which chapters we have to focus more. That's completely fine. But even after saying this much, still you are saying but. What is that but? How much time we have to spend? How much time we have to spend for A category? How much time we have to spend for B category and C category? See, first time reading, you have 100 hours. Na? Of these 100 hours, you spend 60 hours or 65 hours. 65 hours you spend on A category chapters. Next, 25 hours you spend on B category chapters, and balance 10 hours you spend on C category chapters. So this way you have to allocate the first time reading time, and revision you plan accordingly based on your comfort, because you would have already read the all the syllabus one time now, so you will get an idea. Based on your comfort, you allocate the time for first revision, second revision, and third revision. Clear? Yes, sir. Next, sir, what resources should we follow, sir? See, with respect to the concept book, I already told you, you can blindly follow my audit concise book. Everything is covered in that audit concise book, uh, completely from ICA study material, ICA language, everything same you will find, but all the key terms highlighted in red color, arranged in a proper point wise format. Next, question bank, you can follow my question bank. Summary charts, I will be launching them in the month of March. Coming to marathon videos, see, once the summary charts are launched, I'll also make the new marathon videos. By that time, you can use the marathon videos that I have uploaded for Jan 26. There is no changes, no amendments, same marathon videos for Jan 26 you can use even for the May 26 also. Clear? But however, I will be uploading new marathon videos with the help of the new summary charts that I am going to launch. And RTP MTP, once institute issues this RTP MTP, I'll upload those videos. And case scenario based MCQ discussion, already it is there on our YouTube channel. So these are the resources that you can use. And with respect to the amendments, there are no amendments for May 26. Clear? Yes. So this is the complete strategy that you have to follow for your upcoming May 2026 CA final audit. If still you have any doubts with respect to any chapter or with respect to any aspect of your preparation for upcoming May 26, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll be helping you with that. So all the best for your preparation. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you.